to another broadcast from the Stock Analyst Master Station. We are locked in. It is currently 9:38 Eastern Standard Time, and it is 6:38 a.m. on the Pacific West Coast. Sam, say hello to YouTube as we lock in on
Hey Brandon, great to be your co-pilot today. Looking at this AAPL 240-minute chart, it seems Apple has been on a pretty strong run since late August. We can clearly see an overall uptrend, which is always a good sign. Currently, it looks like AAPL is consolidating after that big push-up in mid-September. It's trading right around that $258 mark. Do you see that strong support level, around $255, acting as a base during this consolidation phase? I'm noticing that $255 horizontal line is really holding up the price, and there's some near-term resistance coming in around $259.94. If it can break above that $260 level, that could signal a nice continuation of the uptrend. What are your thoughts on this consolidation? Are you seeing any specific candlestick patterns that stand out? Here's a potential options play if we see a clear breakout.
I definitely see 257 as being the new support. I believe that this Apple is going to shoot right up.
Hey Brandon, great to see this AAPL chart on the 240-minute time frame. Looks like we're looking at data from late August through early October 2025. Right off the bat, I see a really strong uptrend in Apple during this period, especially that surge in mid-September. The price has clearly been pushing higher. It looks like AAPL is currently trading around $258.02. I'm noticing a lot of horizontal lines you've drawn. These are excellent for identifying key support and resistance levels. It seems like the stock is currently consolidating within a range, perhaps between $255 and roughly $259.94. Do you use these horizontal lines primarily for support resistance, or do they serve another purpose for you? That diagonal line is also quite interesting, acting as an ascending trend line, confirming the bullish bias. It successfully held support around the $245 level recently before the latest leg up. The most recent candles show some struggle to break above that $259.94 level, but it's also holding above $257.70 pretty well. This looks like a classic bullish consolidation pattern after a significant move higher, often called a flag or pennant. If AAPL manages to break convincingly above that $259.94 resistance, that could signal a continuation of this strong uptrend. I think we could see a quick move higher if that happens. What are your thoughts on that $259.94 level? Do you see it as a strong overhead resistance that needs to be cleared for the next big move?
I definitely concur, Sam. I see 259.94 as the next level to break through, but I feel like the Apple would break it.
Hey Brandon, great to connect. I'm ready to dive into this AAP.
Okay, and Sam's going to continue to speak. We're going to get you your numbers because the market is already open.
Hey Brandon, it was great co-piloting with you today. To recap, we took a deep dive into the AAPL 240-minute chart, observing a really strong uptrend since late August 2025. Apple appears to be consolidating in the $257, $259 range right now, building a base after that significant move higher. You specifically highlighted $257 as new support, which is a great observation of prior resistance flipping to support. We also identified $259.94, or the psychological $260 mark, as the key overhead resistance for the next leg up. Your overall sentiment was strongly bullish, anticipating Apple to shoot right up Once it clears that resistance, and we even discussed potential options plays to capitalize on such a breakout. To keep the analysis going, Brandon, based on our discussion, what would be the key indicators you'd be watching for to confirm that shoot right up scenario? Do you have any questions about the potential options play we identified today? Or would you like to explore other strategies for that breakout?
I appreciate you, Sam. The strategies that you have prepared are great.
Hey, Brandon. Welcome to the Master Station. Good morning to you on the Pacific West Coast. Thanks for sharing this chart and your insights. I'm looking at Apple AAPL on the 240-minute chart here, covering August through October. I hear you saying that you see $257 as a new support level, and you're expecting Apple to shoot right up now. That's a strong bullish conviction. On the chart, I can definitely see how Apple has been making higher lows and higher highs since late August,
Okay, we're gonna mute Sam right there, but keep in mind that we'll have these numbers posted to the front of our YouTube channel on the posting side. Um, and if you do like the content that you are receiving, and like the analysis of our AI stock analysts, the SAM, and the Stock Analyst Master Station, please feel free to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll keep posting this great content daily so you guys can ideate. Please remember this is no way, shape, form financial advice. Do your due diligence and research before conducting any trades. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, we appreciate your time and viewership. We will hope that you all have a great and safe day and stand by for more content. Thank you.